thanks for tuning in. This is our kitchen, and
we're here to make some dough for our pizza Friday nights. So
and we hope you had a good day today.
And thanks for being here.
Mm-hmm.
So
we're gonna use
garlic powder, yeast,
and a little bit of salt. And we're gonna use some of my daddy's special powder. Flour.
Now around here, this is the best I can come up with. It's King Arthur's bread flour. It makes a great crust for me. I've been kind of tweaking a little bit, but let's get started. So what I found out here is measuring it by weight. Got that? So we're going to weigh our ingredients when we get the exact same consistency and dough every single time. Alright? No, let me get a measuring cup.
Oh, cool. Can I pour it?
We're going to use a measuring cup.
Okay, so can I pour it?
Pour it?
Pour it.
No, you can dip it.
Dip it?
Yeah.
How am I going to dip it?
Look, you turn this on. Okay?
Hello.
Make sure it's on grams. Is that a G right there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we want 500 grams of flour.
500?
Mm-hmm.
125. Wait, how much do we need?
500.
500. So 500?
500. Where we at?
What? 367.
Good job.
I think that's harder than that. 500, right?
Yeah, how much more?
A little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, 500.
500, there we go.
I can actually count to 500 now. It's at 4.
Well, it's close. It's right at. So we'll take a little picture here to show everybody. I'll put this in the video. There we go, 500.
Can we send a pizza emoji?
Oh, you want to do that again?
Yeah.
What do you want to do with it this time?
Maybe on the flour put pizza.
Okay.
And then pretend like and put a hand, smash that over the pizza came flying over to the cabinet.
Well, watch out. So the camera can see the flour. All right. I barely can see it there. Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put that peach emoji in my hand. And I'm gonna squish it.
Okay.
Gone. All right.
And then there's just gonna be sauce on you.
Sauce on me.
No, there's like the pizza stuff.
Oh, pizza sauce? Let's see about that. All right.
There's a right emoji.
I don't know either. All right, so we have our KitchenAid. What's this? 6-quart mixer here.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna need. Let me make sure. Because like I said, I've tweaked this a bunch of times. We're gonna need 3 grams of yeast. Remember what yeast does? You don't remember?
No.
Yeast makes it rise. It's all fluffy. Alright, need a little bit more. Luckily.
I'm gonna open it.
Alrighty, got it. You can grab the scissors. Alright, come on. Just don't cut me right down the middle of the green. Middle of the green. Middle. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Boom, got it. Alright. Now, the corner.
It's at 3.
Yeah, it's settled. I bumped it or something. Here. Well, we can look at there. It is at 3. So let's save that, okay? We're gonna put. You gonna do it? Pour the yeast in there. All right. Get all of it.
I can't.
He'll be happy. Watch this. Watch this. All right.
Ooh, that's cool.
Now, 12 grams of salt.
12. I'm sure they heard
Ready?
that. 12.
Oh,
What's a 13?
13. That's okay. All right. Take another quick picture of this. We can put this in there as well. Forgot to do the yeast, didn't we? That's all right.
Is that salt?
This is salt.
I was just gonna go like, oh, that's sugar.
No. Salt and sugar, totally different. All right. So now
Yeah, the flour tastes disgusting.
we'll get the
I've tasted flour before. It's disgusting. Trust me, you don't want to taste flour.
get the garlic
Garlic? Where's the garlic?
right here. All right. You ready? I'm gonna do 9 grams of garlic. You know like that smells? Show the camera what you did. Show the camera. I can. She paints her nose.
It's so
Right.
disgusting.
Let's get 9.
If it goes to 10, is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
9.
There's 9. All right. Put the garlic
Are we
in.
gonna use a water soon?
Water's next.
Yay! I want to pour the water.
All right. Slowly start pouring it. Slowly. We want 425.
425?
425. No, 325. 325. Keep going.
325.
326. Close enough.
Get 10.
All right. Our water's in there. So do we put everything?
I think so.
We put our flour.
Yep.
We put our garlic. We put our salt. We put our yeast.
Can I
All
mix
right.
it?
Well, let's get the,
Mixer?
yeah, some people start with a mixing paddle. I'll go straight to the kneading hook.
I was gonna mix it a little bit, but okay.
Put it up there. Turn it. All right, look here. Can you reach it? Don't touch that. I'll do this side, okay? All right. Barely slide that on to stir. Stir, just one time. All right.
Can we go to 10?
No, let's wait till it gets mixed up, okay? Give us a spatula.
Can I lick the spatula?
No, baby, don't put your finger in there, you get hurt.
It looks like cookie dough.
It will. Alright. Move the sides around. Matter of fact, let me bring y'all in for a closer look. Alright, we're back here. I'll let it run a little bit while y'all getting y'all set up. But I'll just go around here and knock all this loose flour off the sides.
If the spinny thing hits the spatula, it's okay.
Well, yeah. But it's not going to stop.
Unless you push 0.
Alright, we'll let that go. Kick it up to, what is that, 2?
Yeah. I think. Yeah, that's 2. And it's going really fast.
You can go faster.
Go back to 2. Don't let it.
Really don't need to go that fast.
Yeah.
We don't want to mess up the dough. Now you see here how it's not quite all clumpy together and good. You see that, Kennedy?
Yeah.
See?
I smell the garlic.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yeah.
I'm going to add just a little bit of water. You're talking about just a splash.
I'm doing a taste test. That's nothing.
All right, she's that little splash of water. Made a huge difference there.
It actually looks like pizza dough now. Can you
Yep.
stop it?
No.
Oh, it smells just like Brittany cooking.
Brittany's cooking.
I smell it from the living room. Brittany cooking.
All right, we're gonna let this run for
Maybe an hour.
like 2-3 minutes, just so it's nice and kneaded. You know. Can we turn it off? All right. You need when you're working in the kitchen and you're cooking for anybody, you need to
Sometimes pull up your hair.
always pull your hair up. Let's take us back out. Make some open area here. Okay. Look, always make a mess of flour, don't we?
Yep. And salt.
Yeah. So I get us
Cause we're the cooking team.
the cooking team, huh?
Are you think we can compete in a cooking competition?
Maybe one day.
I'll take it over here. And I knew what you were gonna do.
What?
No, I don't know.
All right. So I take the pan here. Look here. You listening?
Hmm?
Take the pan here. Take a little bit of olive oil. Bowl. You're right. And I just coat the whole thing. All right. Make sure it's all coated everywhere.
Go wash your hands afterwards.
Are you washing? Oh, afterwards?
Yeah.
All right. Take the knee hook off. Put the spatula.
I'll go throw it away.
Stop. Look where you going. Alright. Now get the ball in there. Oh, makes a lot of noise there. Take that ball.
I got this to cut it.
We don't need a cutter right now, baby. And what I do is I stretch it. Put it right there in that pan like that. I take some saran wrap and I lay right over the top of it. And I let it sit and get, let the yeast start rising and let it proof. And I let it proof for about at least 2 hours, 2 to 4 is better. Yeah, at least 2 hours, 2 to 4 is better. And what are you doing? No, you don't need to do that.
Well, you won't let me help.
I do let you help all the time. All right, we're gonna make some more. Okay.
Today?
Right now.
Oh.
Right. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, like the channel if you like it, subscribe if you wanna, ding the bell if you wanna hear a notification. It's the same old, same old. Until next time, have a good night. Thanks.